business, and did I get a big surprise? All at once came a sound from a hole in the ground, and I couldn't believe my eyes. It was a two-legged, big-eyed, yellow-haired, crying canary. And I got down on my knees and I picked it up and said, "My word, what a cute little bird." So I walked around over this big old town, telling every pretty girl I meet. I said, "I just found a bird around 53rd in a big little hole in the street. You know it's a two-legged, big-eyed, yellow-haired, crying canary." They all gave me a look and said, "What did I heard? Do I look like a girl who just lost a bird?"
Sorry about that.
Well, I did everything I could, but it didn't do no good. I couldn't find its home that day. I went uptown, downtown, and all around this big town. I even tried the ASPCA. And while I was there, lo and behold, in walked this chick from out of the cold. She just looked at me, and without a word, she made a great big grab for that little old bird. Give me that. Two-legged, big-eyed, yellow-haired, crying canary. I'm so glad I have him back, I could almost cry. Well, I'm sorry you lost it, and upon my word, it's an honor for me to give you back this bird. It's just a two-legged, big-eyed, yellow-haired, crying